Hey everyone, welcome back to Clarity English Studio. I'm Jamie.
And I'm Alex. Jamie, how are you feeling today?
To be honest, I'm feeling a bit tired. I looked outside this morning and it was completely gray and rainy.
Oh no, did it make you want to just stay in bed?
Exactly. I just wanted to pull the covers over my head and sleep longer.
I totally understand. Weather really affects my mood too, doesn't it?
It really does. On sunny days, I wake up feeling energetic and ready to go. But on rainy days, everything feels slower.
Actually, that's perfect, because that's exactly what we're talking about today. Weather, in English.
I know some people might think weather is a boring topic, but it's actually something we all talk about every single day.
Exactly. It's probably the most common small talk topic everywhere. In many countries, like England, people talk about weather constantly.
Really?
Yes, you can meet someone waiting for a bus and just say, "Not great weather today, is it?" And suddenly you're having a conversation.
That's so true. It's the easiest way to start talking to someone you don't know well.
Right. You can't just walk up to someone and say, "Tell me about your life." That would be strange. But saying, "Lovely day, isn't it?" is completely normal.
So today, we're going to help you feel comfortable talking about weather in English using simple, everyday language you can start using right away.
Jamie, let me ask you, what's your favorite type of weather?
I think I prefer cool, cloudy days. Not too hot, not too cold.
That's interesting. Most people say they love sunny days.
I know, but sunny days can be too bright for me. I like when it's a bit cloudy with a nice, gentle breeze.
A breeze, that's like a soft wind, right?
Yes, not strong wind that blows everything around, just a pleasant, soft breeze.
I get that. For me, I'm definitely a summer person. I love sunny days.
Really? Even when it's extremely hot?
Well, not super hot, but warm and sunny is perfect for me.
See, that's too warm for me. I start sweating and feeling uncomfortable.
Well, everyone's different, and that's what makes it interesting. So, listeners, what kind of weather do you prefer?
Let's start with some basic phrases. If you want to ask someone about weather, the easiest way is, "How's the weather?"
You can also say, "What's the weather like?" Both are very common.
Now, how do you answer? You just describe what you see outside, like, "It's sunny today," or "It's raining."
Let's practice. Jamie, how's the weather where you are right now?
Let me look outside. It's cloudy, and actually, I think it might rain soon.
Perfect. That was natural. She described what she saw and added a prediction.
Now, your turn, Alex. What's the weather like today?
Today, it's quite nice. It's warm with some sunshine.
Of course you'd say that, Mr. Sunshine.
Hey, don't judge. I just prefer being warm.
That actually brings up a good point. Let's talk about temperature words. We have hot, warm, cool, cold, and freezing.
Hot is when it's really warm and uncomfortable, like when you're sweating.
But warm is nice and pleasant. Cold is when the temperature is low, and freezing means extremely cold.
Now let's talk about what's happening in the sky. The most common is sunny, when the sun is out and the sky is bright.
When the sun isn't out, we say it's cloudy. And when water is falling from the sky, we say it's raining or it's rainy.
When it's raining very heavily, you can say it's pouring or it's pouring rain.
There's also a funny expression. It's raining cats and dogs.
Wait, what? Cats and dogs?
I know it sounds strange, but it just means it's raining very heavily. No actual animals are falling from the sky.
English can be weird sometimes. What about snow? Do you get snow where you live, Jamie?
Rarely, maybe once every few years. What about you?
I grew up with snow every winter. At first, it's beautiful. Everything turns white and quiet and magical.
That sounds amazing.
Yes, but after a few months, you get tired of it. Everything is cold, wet, and gray.
I can imagine the excitement wears off. What about wind?
Windy days are the worst for me. The wind messes up my hair, and if you have an umbrella, it turns inside out.
That's true. Wind and umbrellas don't work well together. So you'd say, it's windy today, or it's really windy out there.
You know what else is frustrating? When the weather can't make up its mind.
You mean when it changes throughout the day?
Yes, like it's sunny in the morning, then rains at lunch, then sunny again in the afternoon.
There's actually a perfect phrase for that. 4 seasons in one day.
I love that. It perfectly describes constantly changing weather.
Let's talk about weather forecasts. Do you check the forecast every day?
Actually, yes, it's the first thing I check on my phone each morning.
Why do you check it?
I need to know what to wear. If it's going to rain, I bring an umbrella. If it's going to be cold, I wear a jacket.
So you might ask someone, did you check the weather? Or what's the forecast for today?
And they might answer, it's supposed to rain this afternoon. That's a useful phrase. It's supposed to means that's what the forecast predicts.
Though forecasts aren't always right.
So true. Sometimes it says rain, and then it's sunny all day. Weather is unpredictable.
Unpredictable. That's a great word. It means you can't predict what will happen.
Let's talk about seasons. We have spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
Wait, what about fall?
Autumn and fall are the same thing. In British English, we usually say autumn, while American English uses fall.
So what's your favorite season?
Definitely summer. I love the long days and warm weather.
Of course you do. What's your favorite season, Jamie?
I think autumn, or fall, whatever you want to call it.
Why autumn?
I love when the leaves change color. Everything turns red, orange, and yellow. And the temperature is perfect. Not too hot, not too cold.
Let's practice some conversations now. Let's pretend we're meeting for coffee.
Okay. Hey, Jamie. How are you?
I'm good, but wow, this rain is crazy today.
I know. I got completely soaked on my way here.
Oh no, you didn't bring an umbrella?
I did, but the wind was so strong, it was useless.
See how natural that was? We talked about rain, getting wet, umbrella problems, all very normal conversation topics.
Let's try another one about weekend plans.
So, Alex, what are you doing this weekend?
I'm thinking about going to the beach. Want to come?
That sounds fun, but did you check the weather forecast?
Yeah, it's supposed to be sunny and warm all weekend.
Perfect beach weather. I'm definitely in.
See how weather naturally comes up when making plans?
Let's teach some weather expressions now. Do you know under the weather?
I've heard that. What does it mean?
It means you're feeling sick or unwell. So if you say, I'm feeling under the weather, you're saying you're not feeling well.
There's also, every cloud has a silver lining.
What does that mean?
It means even bad situations have something positive in them. It's about being optimistic and finding the good in something negative.
And come rain or shine means no matter what happens, you'll do it anyway.
These expressions make your English sound more natural, since native speakers use them frequently.
Let's talk about small talk. Weather is the perfect topic for it.
Small talk is light conversation that isn't deep or serious, like when you're in an elevator with someone you don't know well.
You can't just stand there in silence. That's awkward. So you might say something about the weather.
And the other person will probably agree, and suddenly you've broken the ice, started a conversation.
Weather is perfect for breaking the ice because everyone experiences it and everyone has an opinion about it.
You know what's interesting? People love complaining about weather too.
Yes, especially about extreme weather, like it's so hot today, I'm melting, or this rain won't stop, I'm so tired of it.
Even when complaining, you're connecting with someone. Shared discomfort can bring people together.
Let's practice some responses. It's so hot today.
I know, right? I can't wait to get home and turn on the air conditioning.
Perfect. Now try this. This rain is ridiculous.
Tell me about it. I forgot my umbrella and got completely soaked.
Great. See how we're agreeing and adding our own experiences? That's what keeps conversations flowing.
We've covered a lot today. Basic weather words, temperature vocabulary, seasons, weather changes, expressions, and using weather for small talk.
But the most important thing is to practice. You don't need to remember everything today. Just pick 1 or 2 phrases you like and use them this week.
Learning a language isn't a race. It's more like a journey. Every day you practice, you get a little better.
And don't worry about making mistakes. Everyone makes them, even native speakers. The important thing is to keep trying and keep speaking.
Next time you see someone, try talking about the weather. Start with something simple like, "Nice day, isn't it?" Or, "Looks like it might rain later."
These small comments can lead to bigger conversations, and you'll be practicing your English in real life.